Hey everyone! Welcome back to The Silver Lining here on YouTube, or welcome if you're new. I'm Sarah, and today I'm going to be talking with you a little bit about some of the empty Jordan Essentials products that I've used up. I'm going to take you along with me and tell you about those products now. So let's get started. The first product is one that I received in a JJ box over the summer, the Cocoa Mango Tone and Firm Lotion. Now the Tone and Firm Lotion is a regular item in our product line, but the Cocoa Mango was an exclusive fragrance for summer. I have loved using this product when I get out of the shower. It's enriched with yummy vitamin A and C and aloe and green tea to really help nourish and moisturize. The next product that I've used up is actually a seasonal product, but you're in luck because it is our $5 special in the month of November. When you spend $50 throughout the catalog in any given month, there's a product for $5, and this month it's Pumpkin Pie Foaming Hand Soap. And when I tell you that this is so good and smells amazing and is perfect for this time of year, I am not lying. This rich fragrance is so perfect for this time of year, and I love having it by my sink this past month. And I've used it up, so I'll be restocking this month before it goes away because it is a limited edition item. However, you can get our foaming hand soap in all of our other fragrances, including Resistance and Lemon, and we also provide refill jugs so you can get 32-ounce refills and create a little bit less waste. The next product that I'm going to tell you about is actually a duo of products, and I love talking about them together. Our aluminum and paraben-free deodorant and our Spritzer Pits Resistance Essential Oil Spray. I love talking about these two together because I use them together every day. Our natural deodorant, like I said, is aluminum and paraben-free, which means that Jordan Essentials product promise makes it to where you are putting products on your body that are supporting the healthy process that your body goes to, especially when you're sweating. So get yourself on a healthy path and choose a paraben and aluminum free deodorant from Jordan Essentials in any of our 5 fragrances today. Along with the deodorant is our Spritzer Pits Essential Oil Spray, which is our Resistance Essential Oil Blend. It is clove, lemon, cinnamon, rosemary, and eucalyptus. These 5 essential oils really help to combat bacteria, fight against odor, and germs. When you use a natural deodorant, you will still sweat. That's the body's natural process. So we have come up with a formula of essential oils that you can spray directly on your armpits, and it really helps keep you feeling fresh with a peace of mind and knowing that you're doing good things for your body. If you're interested in getting your hands on these 4 products, or some semblance of these 4 products, because some of the fragrances are unavailable, please check out the links below so that you can see what Jordan Essentials has in store right now that you can choose from. Our product promise talks all about Jordan Essentials being made and sourced in the USA and bringing botanically based, healthy for you, good for your family products at affordable prices. I'll leave the product promise down below in the description box as well. As always, thank you so much for being here today and watching as I go through some of the empty products that I've used up from Jordan Essentials this month. I appreciate you being here so much. Leave a thumbs up if you like this video. Make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell notification on your way out so that you don't miss another one of my videos. I'll see you next time. Bye.